sick. Oh, missed. Alright, we're at the Toys for Tots at the Leeward Community College. It's our first time being at some kind of car show ever. So we're gonna figure this out right now. Let's see how it goes. On the distance, okay, there's a nice 240. There's a lot of 240s. Half of them missing the front end, so that's how it is. This wide body G35. Nice.
It's sparkly.
What do you think about the color? About the paint?
It'd make a good nail polish.
What is that? You're not wrong. That's it. I think this is sick. This is really dope. How you feel about the Galaxy hood on the trunk lid?
It's kind of stupid.
But check this out though. Check the detailing. See all like the koi fish and stuff?
Yeah. With the glitter, you can't really see it though.
Nah, but I like it. It's really dope.
I think the Galaxy's stupid.
You don't like the Galaxy?
No, it's stupid.
I dig it.
It's stupid.
I dig it. It's really nice.
Sky.
It's just, okay, yeah.
It's stupid.
Okay, you're mean.
It's stupid.
Okay. You have a bunch. Okay, what do you think of the 240s? And the GTR. The GTR is really nice. It's a right-hand drive car.
Oh.
Yeah, it's from Japan. It's a 93, 98, I think. Or 92. This one's really nice. 240s are all really nice. This one's a bad batch. Yeah. What's that? She drives a Kia Soul as well.
Not my choice.
I wanted one of these, you know. Yeah, Evos? I wanted an Evo 10 for a long time. Oh, silver. Yeah. This is my favorite car that I've seen today. Old school wheels, fender flares. Okay. Alright, man. I'll look for you. Bye, guys. So, okay. What do you think so far? Okay, this is like, it's really hot outside today. Right? Yeah. Okay, which one caught your eye out of all the cars you've seen? No? I like Rainer's car. Rainer's car is nice, bro. What do you think about the GTI though? It's okay? Huh? Okay. My heart, whatever. Okay, what do you think about this 350? Let's see what it is.
I like this.
The pedal bear? That's what, okay. I do like that one next to it though. That one next to it is really nice.
Have the wide body either.
This one?
The one outside.
Oh, it does.
It
It does. It has a different wide body kit. Check it out.
Yeah, I like this one a lot better. Maybe it's also just the color. I feel like the color is red. It sticks out more than there's like...
Well, you like a lot of neutral things though, right?
December 27th. Who wants to go to that?
I don't know. Well,
That's
see,
it.
because like I feel like it blends in better.
Okay.
Than
Well, this is also an old school kit. Like on Tokyo Drift. That's the kit that's on the 250.
yes, but I don't know. I don't like it.
I do like this though. I like the color on this too. With the flakes on it.
See, good nail polish.
I can't be mad about that. This is sick. I'm liking it more and more as I see it in person. That's most definitely one option, the fenders. What do you think of it?
It's not bad.
Okay. We're gonna head out because it's really hot now, yeah. Yeah, me too. I wasn't recording. We're gonna wrap his hood for the holiday season. This pack of tape costs $31, bro.
Let me get the wrapping paper.
Yeah, man, you get that shit. Look at this beautiful wrap job. Yo, premium auto styling. Where you at? Hi.
Do you know how to wrap gifts?
No.
See? Most people who don't know how to wrap gifts are wrapping this.
This is not a gift, dude.
Dude. You're his gift. Because we're in the present. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Progress, Chester.
It's progress.
You okay over there, Jackie? Alright, we out here. My hair probably looks retarded right now. It's really long. But we're getting there. Jackie's teaching us how to wrap gifts. Because I don't wrap gifts.
Make sure it's flat.
Do you wrap gifts too, Chester?
No, I don't.
That's right. Yo.
Ooh, I like it there.
On here it says sticks.
Yeah.
What you think, Chester? Hey, we at Chester's holiday now. She, the amazing girlfriend here, is wrapping my white elephant gift because I didn't wrap it
That
earlier.
you put in a post office box.
Yo, chill. Hey,
Did you buy the post office?
fuck no, I did not.
Okay.
It's free.
I just wanted to make sure.
Oh, we got the flour. We got garlic salt because we're lazy and I don't want to have to use the other spices. So, a bunch of garlic salt. Bunch of black pepper.
I'm taking notes, don't worry.
I'm gonna need a spoon or fork preferably. And we're gonna mix that for me, please. Where's the eggs? Grab the eggs.
Oh yeah, I didn't grab it yet.
Mmm.
Out of all the things, I decided to get double of. Not that.
We just needed one green onion too.
Oh, you know, I wasn't sure. Okay, so just get two of everything.
This is for the sauce. Making the sauce now. It's I forgot to vlog when I was making the sauce, but it's just a soy sauce base with brown sugar, gochujang, this red thing, and a little bit of water. Gochujang. Jackie's trying to see if this will work. We got Sabrina,
Put the rest inside. Go for it.
Micah. Don't put too much though.
Put them all in.
No.
Put them all in.
That's good.
The whole thing.
No, what are you doing? The whole gang's over here. Bryson's here. So after, just like coat it in here. I forgot to do this earlier. It's on the plate of chicken. She's not even looking too.
Can you show this?
Does oh fuck, I don't know. We use 2 different types of soy sauce for this. You know, it's okay. Jess leaves in a couple of days. We're going back to normal after this. My car is slow. I was gonna say something mean, but I refrained. I don't know. That's what Chester's house now.
That's a beach special.
Gift can get stolen twice.
We're gonna steal it before it gets unwrapped. Yeah. Before
Oh,
it
you're
gets
gonna
unwrapped.
we'll
steal it now.
Unwrap at the end.
Okay,
Yeah,
number
unwrap
2,
it.
you either have a chance to steal.
Are you gonna
mine or
steal?
get
Are you
your
gonna
own.
steal?
Number 2?
Let's be an asshole.
I don't know, but I want something that has 2 boxes in it.
But mine has 2 things in it.
Oh, I want that box. I'm stealing.
What the? Who wrapped that one?
I don't know.
Did you wrap that?
That was a last-minute thing, okay?
No matter to me.
Drive.
Trapped.
You're trapped. No gift for you.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Wait, I'm your gift.
Oh, yes!
Oh, shit. Wait, how?
You take my own, right?
Fuck, don't grab your own. Did you get
Better
7?
not.
How did you get 7?
Oh man, now we give it Angela.
Ah, grab yours, grab yours.
Grab with
I
caution.
could steal one right now.
Grab with caution.
Can I steal it back?
No, you can't steal it back. Grab one, Ryan. Grab your.
Okay, grab one.
You want it back?
We'll go in order. We're going to wrap it in order.
That'd be so funny if he takes his own gift.
Which one do you want? Which one?
I don't know.
take this one. I don't care what this is.
All right.
All right, who's won? Open your gift.
I wonder what it is.
Are you having trouble?
Yeah, dude, this is
Just
like
rip them open.
Just slide it out. Oh my god.
man, I almost had that kid.
Wait, don't open it yet.
Bro.
Yo! Yo!
Just what I always wanted. Wow.
Yo, I need that.
No.
Migraines.
Put it on your head.
Your lord.
His enthusiasm.
Yo, that's Yo!
Very useful. See, very useful.
For your injuries.
You need.
Just in case, accident or whatever.
You need to relax. Oh! Wait, I don't know what it is.
Oh shit. Looks like shot glasses.
You got poison, dude.
Dude, they're trying to kill you.
Good.
You're poison.
I would kill you too.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
Right? Whoa!
Harry Potter.
That's fucking tight.
Who's this from?
You can make sphere cubes.
One more time. Say it again.
Cubes.
Say it again one more time. Say it again.
Spherical.
It's spherical.
Yeah, look at that. It has a fucking thing.
It's a game sphere.
It's half black and half white.
But you're only white.
What? I saw it coming back too. I was like,
Oh!
Oh, bad. Cute. Pineapples.
All right, boy.
I want to break this.
Fucker, just open them.
Do it. Or what you got?
AirPods.
What? Shut the fuck up.
But that was minimum, right?
No, max.
I got it wrong again.
No, minimum.
It's a lighter.
Oh, what is that?
AirPods.
It's a lighter, dude.
I want to see what's right.
What did right?
What is it?
Did I worry?
Oh, I don't you.
Should I worry?
Oh, what did you bring, Ryan?
Bro, how did you wrap this?
Bro.
Hey, relax.
Battery pump? What is it?
Breast pump?
Okay.
But for what?
Wait, what? I don't. It's,
Is it a mattress?
for real?
Hold on. Hey, Angela and Michael gonna pop that first night.
You know that.
That's not good gift.
Yo, and he got a first aid kit. Is it a blow up doll?
What is it?
It's a dildo. I got a We're talking about related force.
Hey, yeah, go.
Oh my god.
Hey, you got the post office box.
Could have been Ryan's gift.
Yeah, it could have been Ryan, but it's not. It's mine. That's right.
Wait. Look at that. Do you want to keep this?
You wanna keep it? It looks like from an old shoe.
Just asking.
You're so mean.
I mean, it might be. Is it a hand in hand?
Light therapy act. Hey, I. Acne mask activator.
Let me see.
You know, I never had. Fuck you. Stay away from my face.
Just take off the rope.
Just roll.
Carefully.
What you doing?
Just take off the rope. I
Sorry,
swear to God,
sorry.
dog.
What's this? It's expensive.
Hey, babe.
It goes with it. It goes with
Oh, Angela.
That's what I said.
I got an acne mask.
Go, put him up, put him up.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think
In case you ever break out.
in case I ever break out,
Yeah.
I'll tie my chin, yeah.
Yeah. Not gonna fit.
I only break out on my chin.
It only goes up
only
to
this,
your
yeah.
chin line though.
I want to see what